Advaita Vedanta, a school of Hindu philosophy, challenges everything you thought you knew about the nature of reality. It boldly proclaims that there is only one ultimate reality, and that all other things are illusory or maya. According to Advaita Vedanta, the true nature of the self or Atman is identical with the ultimate reality or Brahman. This means that every single individual is not a separate entity, but rather an inseparable part of the entire universe. The boundaries we place between ourselves and the world around us are nothing but an illusion. We are all connected in ways we never even imagined. Advaita Vedanta asks us to challenge our perceptions of what is real and to see the interconnectedness of everything. It beckons us to awaken to a deeper understanding of the nature of existence and embrace the oneness of all things. As the ages passed, numerous theories of quantum physics emerged, each unveiling intriguing similarities that resonated deeply with the ancient wisdom of Advaita Vedanta. It was not that long ago that the Nobel Prize in Physics was awarded to a brilliant scientist for his groundbreaking discovery, the uncertainty principle. This was one of the most pivotal and transformative ideas in the entire field of quantum mechanics. But what exactly was this principle? It was a bold claim that sent shockwaves throughout the scientific community. The uncertainty principle stated that it was impossible to simultaneously determine both the position and momentum of a particle with absolute certainty. In other words, there was always going to be some level of uncertainty in our measurements, no matter how precise our instruments might be. Here's the truly fascinating part. Some of the very ideas behind this principle were derived from the ancient philosophy of Advaita Vedanta. This is the story of the uncertainty principle and its profound connection to the ancient philosophy of Advaita Vedanta. Long ago in the city of Würzburg, Germany, a young boy was born with a curious mind and an insatiable hunger for knowledge. This boy's name was Werner Heisenberg, and his passion for physics and mathematics would shape the course of his life forever. His groundbreaking work in quantum mechanics led to many important discoveries, but it was his formulation of the uncertainty principle that catapulted him to fame. This revolutionary principle, which challenged our understanding of the physical world, and showed that certain properties of a quantum system cannot be measured with arbitrary precision, opened the door to new technological advancements in fields such as quantum computing and cryptography. Heisenberg met with Tagore again, which turned out to be more than just a discussion about physics. As Heisenberg sought clarity and confidence in his work, Tagore's profound insight into the nature of reality provided him with a new perspective. The shloka from Adi-Guru Shankaracharya's book that Tagore quoted challenged Heisenberg's preconceived notions of the material world and left him pondering over the true nature of reality. Matter and its numerous forms are just a myth. Energy, which is believed to be the basis of all matter, is nothing but a manifestation of the ultimate reality, which is Brahman. This quote highlights the Vedantic idea that everything in the material world, including matter and energy, is illusory and ultimately derived from the ultimate reality, Brahman. It suggests that our perception of the material world as real is a result of Maya, the illusory power of Brahman which makes the unreal appear as real. This concept is similar to the uncertainty principle in that it challenges our conventional knowledge of the material world and emphasizes the limitations of our perception and understanding of reality. This profound idea planted a seed in Heisenberg's mind, and he started to see the limitations of classical physics. He realized that a new framework was needed to account for the wave-particle duality of atoms. As he continued his contemplation on the nature of reality, he was inspired to develop the principle of uncertainty, a breakthrough that would revolutionize the field of physics. The uncertainty principle challenged the classical understanding of physics and stated that it's impossible to know both the position and momentum of a particle with absolute certainty. Furthermore, the Heisenberg uncertainty principle suggests that the act of observation itself affects the observed system. In Vedanta, the concept of jiva refers to the individual self, which is said to be distinct from the universal self, or Brahman. The act of observation in quantum mechanics can be seen as analogous to the act of observational perception by the jiva in Vedanta, which is said to affect the individual's perception of reality. Heisenberg's discovery paved the way for the development of quantum mechanics, leading to many technological advancements that we enjoy today. In his book, Physics and Philosophy, Heisenberg revealed his stunning insight. The atoms or elementary particles themselves are not real. They form a world of potentialities or possibilities rather than one of things or facts. This was a bold assertion, one that challenged the very foundations of classical physics. Heisenberg argued that the idea of a unified reality, where everything is interconnected, is not just compatible with quantum mechanics, but required by it. Heisenberg's vision extended beyond the realm of theoretical physics. He also believed in the concept that the observer and the observed were inseparable, that the act of observation could fundamentally affect the outcome of experiments. He wrote, "The observer is not simply a spectator of the play of atoms and molecules. He is also a participant. In the last analysis, we ourselves are a part of the mystery that we are trying to solve." There are many such intersections of Vedanta and quantum physics. For example, Erwin Schrödinger and his magnificent work on the principle of duality were heavily influenced by Vedanta. Niels Bohr developed his principle of complementarity, a cornerstone of quantum mechanics inspired by similar ideas. The rabbit hole goes even deeper. In this video, we explored the fascinating intersection between Advaita Vedanta and quantum physics. Advaita Vedanta, an ancient Hindu philosophy, tells us that there's only one ultimate reality, Brahman, and everything else is an illusion, or Maya. It teaches that our true self, Atman, is one with Brahman, highlighting the interconnectedness of all existence. We also delved into the groundbreaking work of Werner Heisenberg and his uncertainty principle, which states that it's impossible to simultaneously know both the position and momentum of a particle with absolute certainty. This principle challenged classical physics and resonated deeply with Vedantic ideas. Heisenberg's journey, influenced by Indian philosophy and his encounters with Rabindranath Tagore, led him to see the limitations of classical physics and the need for a new framework. His work, along with contributions from other scientists like Schrödinger and Bohr, revealed that reality is made up of potentialities rather than solid particles, aligning with the concept of Maya. These profound connections show that both Advaita Vedanta and quantum physics challenge our perceptions of reality and emphasize the fundamental interconnectedness of everything. Subscribe to our channel and join us for an exciting, thought-provoking journey into the mysteries of the universe.